So, good day, ma'am and sir. So, this is our research entitled Automated Convertible Roof for Motorcycle Utilizing Using Microcontroller Arduino Nano at QCU. And so here are our contents. First is introduction, background of the study, objectives, scope and limitation, significance of the study, block diagram, conceptual framework, research design, schematic diagram, flowchart, PCB diagram, skeletal diagram, and picture diagram. And so before we start, let us introduce ourselves. First, I'm Morales Mark Andre.
And my name is John Jeric Estrella.
Jed Allen Porley.
I'm De Los Santos Hebrew.
I'm Rizalyn Desena.
And I'm Von Axel Martyr.
So that in this research, the researchers design an automated convertible roof for motorcycle. Due na unpredictable weather in Metro Manila, this automated convertible roof gives motorcycle riders comfortableness while driving and also provides protection during the rainy season. Or extreme climate condition. And so this system was used by microcontroller Arduino Nano to build an automatic convertible roof. And it uses it uses sensor to integrate into the system. And so that enables uh, it to sense environmental factors. For automatically open or close the roof, researchers use the servo motor. This solution improves the comfort and protection in the driving and is convenient for the driver.
The background of the study. Background of the study is yung Philippines is experienced erratic weather when often to hinder of comfort of safety of motorcycle riders. Despite of motorcycle being as efficient transportation option of a rider are exposed of environmental elements such as wind, sun, and rain. This study aimed to address this issue by developing automated convertible roof for motorcycles. Powered by Arduino Nano and microcontroller um, environmental sensor. So, with approximate 4 million motorcycle riders in the Philippines is daily accident average of 78 due to factor like pure safety gear and road condition. The need for an innovated safety solution. In critical, this protect seek to reduce such hazard while ensuring the rider's convenience, particularly in urban areas like Metro Manila, where adoption could be most impactful. The automated roof system offer not only protection but also contributes to safer and more efficient riding condition and across various weather scenarios. So next slide. So objectives. We design and develop automated convertible roof system for motorcycle and improve for comfort and safety for riders during advised weather condition. Two is to integrate weather sensor into system. Three is to develop 3D model of system showing following features. So microcontroller, Arduino Nano, DH22 sensor and servo motor, button, power supply, and polymer fabric, galvanized steel, and piezo speaker. That's all. Next, light.
For the scope of this research project is to design and develop an automated retractable roof system, especially for motorcycles. It aims to create a lightweight, durable, and weather-resistant solution that integrates seamlessly with standard motorcycle designs. It will explore automation mechanisms such as hydraulic or electric systems and incorporate features like easy deployment, manual override, and compatibility with sensors for weather adaptation. So, for the limitations of this research, it excludes high-speed motorcycles, off-road bikes, and custom models due to design complexities. So for the next slides,
So for the significance of our study, our group would like to expand the significance of this research and hope this will benefit the following groups and communities, such as delivery riders, motorcycle taxis, motorcycle commuters, enhance riding experience and improve safety while riding, and also motorcycle manufacturers. Next slide. So, our research design or research methodology, our context of our project on the automated convertible roof for motorcycles. This research design involves the integration of hardware like Arduino Nano, DH2 sensors, and also servo motors with software to create functional prototype. The study design ensures that the system components, such as sensors for detecting environmental changes and actuators for roof operation. These are also aligned with the project's objectives to enhance rider safety and comfort under varying weather conditions. Also, this process involves iterative stages such as defining objectives, designing hardware, and also software setups, prototyping, and testing under real-world conditions to validate functionality and reliability. Next slide.
We are going to the block diagram. First, we discuss about the design is the block diagram. It's a diagram of a system in which the principal parts or functions are represented by blocks connected by lines that show the relationship of the blocks. First, we have the source. Second, microcontroller to retraction and signal monitoring, and last shutdown. Next. Next is the conceptual framework. For our first station is the input. Here is where the source located. Next is the process. This is where the all models and parts work together, and last is the output or the our product. Next, a schematic diagram. We were going to schematic diagram is a visual representation of a system, device, or process that uses abstract symbols and lines to show how its components are connected and function. Next. And lastly, for our design is the flowchart. It's a picture of the separate steps of a process in sequential order. You can also see different types of shapes here, and our types of shapes have different processes.
so for the PCB diagram, it shows how the main brain as the Arduino Nano will send signals to all other components for it to operate.
Here we can see our skeletal diagram, which we can see the inside part of our product, which we can see the Arduino Nano servo motor, breadboard, DH222 sensor, sirens, and the steel that stretch. The first function of Arduino Nano is our main system. Next is the breadboard, which is used to connect the other materials. We have also the H22 sensor used to sense the weather. We have also the siren, which is sound system to warn the driver that the product is opening or the automated roof will open. While the servo motor uh, will push and pull the steel to make it open and close. For the next diagram, for diagram, here we can see our outer part product of our product, which is the automated roof for motorcycle. This is if it is closed, and next. And this is the style of our product if it is open. Next. Before we end our presentation, here is the presenters. Next. And that's for all our presentation, and thank you.